Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make super realistic AI UGC so you can launch a dropshipping store, or you can sell a product, or you can become an influencer. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make something like this. These look pretty good in my opinion, like they look pretty realistic. It looks like a real person, and it's actually a lot easier than you think. We're going to do this with a completely new avatar, so we can just pretty much do this together. I'll have all the prompts in the description, so just go check that out. It's free. I'm even going to show you how to incorporate a product into your avatar, so you can have any avatar hold any product, and it looks very real, very realistic. So yeah, let's just get started with it. So what you want to do first is, first of all, go on like Pinterest or something, or go to like Google Images or whatever, and you just want to find a good reference. So you can just search like IG model selfie, or like go on Instagram and find an IG model, or like whatever like fits your ideal avatar. Just choose that. And then I'm not gonna show my this Pinterest because for some reason it shows like explicit images. I don't know why. You want to pick one that has like realistic natural lighting without any filters, which is kind of difficult because everyone uses filters. But try to find like one in sunlight, like in front of a window, where they can see like their whole face and like nothing's blocking it. This is good enough, I'd say. So let's just save this image, save it to like a folder, save her in there. I don't know, is this the same person? I think it's the same person, right? It has to be. If it's the same person and you have multiple photos, that's even better. So just save. I'm gonna save both of them, and then I'll show you what to do with these. So we're going to go to Higgsfield. You can use Nano Banana Pro like in Gemini, but I'm just going to use Higgsfield. Just pick Nano Banana Pro. Do 9x16. Do 2K if you want. And then just upload these two images. It's like that. This is the prompt that you want to get. So I'm going to put this in the description. What this prompt does is it generates you a character sheet of your avatar, where it's going to have like 12 different panels of their eyes and their skin textures and their skin tones, just so like the AI can have a good reference when you actually generate these shots of like what they actually look like, and like make sure they get all of the little details that make it human, right? Copy this whole prompt and then put in your references, paste this here, and then generate like 4 of them. Alright, so I just generated 4 more, and I think I'm gonna choose this one right here. I wanted to get it like the top 3 pictures to be further away from her face so you can see her whole face shape. I'm not really sure if the earrings will mess it up or not. Hopefully it won't. Hopefully it won't mess it up, but we're gonna save this one. So now what you want to do with that reference is go into ChatGPT or Claude, whatever you want, and come over here and just paste this top part right here into ChatGPT or Claude, and then paste this whole JSON script. Paste this whole JSON with this little thing at the top, and then add all your references you just made. So your 2 selfies, and then add in that character sheet as well. This is pretty much the language you want to use when you're making these pictures. You can get a lot more descriptive and like tweak little things. I don't understand JSON, but the AI does, so I just tell the AI to pretty much like personalize all my prompts. Come down to the same notion, copy this whole prompt, and it's going to create you a bunch of shots that you can use for Higgsfield or Nano Banana Pro. Now it's going to make like 16 different selfies for your specific avatar. So what you pretty much did is you took your avatar that you created, or that your character sheet that you created. It took your avatar and it's going to personalize this JSON script to actually fit the avatar. So then when you actually like make these selfies and these prompts, it's like very hyper specific to your avatar you just made. So then you don't get a lot of generic like random inconsistencies that you get usually when you just try to like paste generic prompts into Nano Banana Pro. You want to make sure everything is locked and specific to your avatar, and this pretty much helps with that. Alright, so all you want to do now is just copy this entire thing, and what this is going to do is it's going to generate you like 16 different selfies in one shot. So just generate this like 4 times, as many times as you can. just so you can get like a large variety. And we'll wait for this. We're pretty much getting a bunch of different shots, as much as we can, so we can give the AI as much references as possible, so when we actually generate these single shots, it's going to look as consistent as possible. This is what we got so far. So we got this one, which looks nothing like her. She looks Chinese. And then this one looks like exactly like her. And we got some different shots in the bedroom, in the mirror, full body shots, laying on the couch, like full body right here. Like it looks very, very close to our references. And this is what you want. Like even this one looks good. We got different clothing. This one looks good as well. Like these look really solid already. So what we're gonna do now is just download all of these. Okay, download your best ones. The more the better. I hate that I can't add multiple images like onto this thing. Like it's so annoying. Why do I have to do it one by one, you know? Once you got all these references, this is what you want to do next. So we got, all you got to do now is copy one of these. This is going to be your single shot. So just copy one of these and you should get a really good single shot UGC style selfie. Okay, you should get one. Then I'm going to paste this one. Then I'm going to paste the next one. Just so I can get 4 different ones to show you guys. Boom, like that. Alright, so here's the ones that I got. I don't know why it's making a white girl, but if you want to be like, make sure it's consistent, you can just copy this JSON that ChatGPT made you, and then make sure you have this pasted into your prompt, like at the top or something, like that. And then all you gotta do is replace this part now. So I want to replace the first one right here, and then replace it. But yeah, but look at these right here. So these look pretty good. So this looks like our avatar. This looks super realistic. Like, even has a dirty mirror. It kept the earrings, which is really good. The phone looks fine. Like, you can't really see the books because they're blurred. We'll see what we get in these next 4, but so far these are looking pretty good. Now there is ways you can change clothing pretty easily. All you gotta do is just like communicate with the AI and like be like, hey, paste the JSON script and tell it to change certain things. I know, make you a new JSON script. Then you can just use that and redo like your 16 different shots right here. Look at the difference between this one, and then these. It looks so much different. Like, this one was like, I don't know why that's generated. This looks like more like a professional photo shoot type of picture, and then this is like just your iPhone. So we got this one here. I don't know why the fuck it did that, but it's not gonna be perfect every time. Like, oh my god, this is so good. This is so good. It's not gonna be perfect every time, but you just literally have to just play with it. You literally have unlimited if you have Higgsfield, so it's like you can just spam this as many times as you want. This looks pretty solid. Like, this one right here, this is so good. Like, if you're making UGC videos, this is like the perfect start frame. You can put this in Kling or VO3, and like, this is such a good start frame. Like, putting the phone down, it looks really good. This is good. This is amazing. This is like a freaking IG photo right here. Very, very good. It looks super real. Look how real this is amazing, bro. Like, look at this shit. And I'm not even using Nano Banana Pro 2, by the way. This is just the first one. So I'm going to show you how to actually get them to hold a product. So you pretty much want to, this is like my PDF that I made. I'll put that in the description too. It just like lays out everything step by step. So all you have to do is repeat steps 3 and 4. All you gotta do now is just tell the AI to incorporate your product into your actual avatar. So it'd be like, hey, please add this product into my avatar using these references. Make sure all the text is locked and all that. So we'll do that real quick. I added a perfume bottle, then I also uploaded the label so it can read it good. And then turn this in the JSON script. Use the reference and fill in the details like this. I'm gonna say make sure the product label is locked. All photos I want to have the avatar holding the product UGC style, and then just paste or just send this, and it's gonna bring you back another one of those prompts again that have the 16 different shots. And then you're pretty much doing the same thing. You're just taking those different shots and then cutting them up again using the 16 different style. Then you gotta personalize these as well. So take all of these and then paste it into the AI and then be like, hey, change all these prompts to actually hold my product. And then you just repeat. And I'll show you guys what that looks like. I just got finished and this is what I got. So I got these 16 different style shots. Looks pretty good. Yeah, and then take these and then add your single shots. These look pretty freaking good. Like, look at this shit. This is amazing, bro. This is so good. It looks so real. Like, this is crazy. This one is so good, bro. Like, if you actually had a good product you're running and you're like getting pictures like this, these are great for static ads. But yeah, that's how you do it. If you guys need more help, if you need like one-on-one help, I have a link in the description. If you guys want a step-by-step guide, I made a guide as well. It covers all this stuff I talked about, and it covers like videos, motion control, static ads, how to make those with AI. By the time I upload this, it'll have like how to launch your first store with Shopify, my TikTok ad strategy I use, my meta ad strategy I use that I hit my product, that I scaled my product to 1K a day with, that you saw in the last video. It has a bunch of stuff. Like, if you want to buy it and support me, go ahead. If you don't want to buy it, it's cool too. Just make sure you watch the videos. I really appreciate it. I gave out all this stuff for free. So just go check it out. Go get the prompts in the description and try this for yourself.